everybody. Today we're talking about newts.
Newts and frogs. We're here in the Marin Headlands. You can see behind us the beach is there, the ocean is there. There's not much else out here except for a really special pond that Bear and I are going to show you right now. Can you point to the pond? Here's the pond. It's in the middle of an old bunker, or an old structure that was constructed long, long ago in the mountainside. And it's filled up with water and plants and some very special creatures called amphibians. Bear, can we find one?
I saw one here.
I see a little frog right there. There we go. I see a frog. And you can see that it's brown in color and it's got some spots on its back, which gives it really good camouflage in the environment that it lives in.
But it's camouflage.
Yeah, it's camouflage, which means it's hard to see. And there are also some newts in here somewhere. So we're gonna try to lower this underwater camera that Bear has in his hands, and we're gonna try to get some really good footage of the newts and the frogs that are living in this pond. Right, Bear?
Yes.
Okay.
Newts and frogs are amphibians. That means they can live on water and land.
Yep, newts and frogs are amphibians. That means they can live on water and land. So you can see that there are a lot of plants growing in this pond, which is really good for frogs and newts to hide in. So let's find a good place to get the camera underwater.
Whoa, we're underwater.
So we're looking for one of the newts right now. If you look in the corner, you can kind of see one swam away. Every time we get close to one, it seems to just dart away. You can barely see it. Let's try to chase this one a little bit and see if we can get closer again. Well, you can kind of see the orange belly.
You know what that orange thing is on the bottom?
What's the orange thing on the bottom?
Poison.
Yeah, that means I'm poisonous, don't eat me. So when the newt sees another creature that's trying to hurt it, the newt shows the other creature its orange belly, and bright colors in nature means poison.
Yeah.
So here we finally got to get our camera close to one of the newts without it being scared and swimming away, and you can see its body and its tail. There's a friend over there a little further away, and here's the first newt again. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. You can see its little head. It's very cool. Oh, bye newt. Finally, we get to see a really good close-up of a newt. Bear, can you tell us what amphibians eat?
Amphibians eat worms and bugs.
Can you tell your friends how newts breathe?
Through their lungs and skin.
That's right. Amphibians breathe through their lungs just like people do, but they also can breathe through their skin. They have really thin, really moist skin that allows them to breathe. And just like the frog we saw earlier, these newts are brown on top so that when someone is looking at them from above, they're very hard to see because the bottom of the pond is brown and the water is sort of brownish. So good camouflage, newt. And here we have one last close-up of a newt hiding underneath some plants, and you can see it's orange underneath. And again, in nature, orange and other bright colors means stay away from me, I'm poison, don't eat me.
I hope you learned something at the amphibian video today.
Yeah, we hope you learned something about amphibians today. Bye, everybody.
Bye. This is my masterpiece.
So, Bear, what do you want to tell your friends about frogs and newts?
Newts. I know that newts are newts. Hello, everybody. Today we're talking about newts and also your thumbs. Actually, I'm going to tear them back to your body.